I've spotted new raw charging facilities at RHS Rosemoor in North Devon and here at Arlington Court. And this is the type of charger rollout which makes living with an EV a lot easier and more sense. So this installation at the National Trust in Arlington Court in North Devon has 2 units serving 4 bays. So these types of EV chargers, which are the slow AC chargers, makes more sense to be installed at places like this. You're not really stopping here for a 15-minute top-up, you're here to enjoy the property and have a walk round. So you're going to be here for quite a while. So this is the reason why these sorts of chargers make more sense. So you can see here I'm now charging and getting 11 kilowatts, which is the maximum this car can take. So here you have our 2 bays serving 4 cars. Each post is 22 kilowatts shared, so you're going to be potentially a maximum of 11 kilowatts each. Operated by raw charging, but you need the ChargePoint app if you want to use an app. But as I normally do, I've used the Electroverse card. So EV charging is being rolled out across the National Trust estate. And this is what really makes living with an EV so convenient, being able to charge your car while you visit these types of attractions. The same is true here at RHS Rosemoor in North Devon. You've got a mixture of rapid DC charging at 50 kilowatts, but also you've got a selection of AC bays as well. So the more this type of infrastructure is rolled out across the country in attractions and car parks, certainly will make living with an EV so convenient, and I think it will certainly help with the uptake in EV ownership. So obviously the cost of public EV charging I think still needs to be addressed, but this type of installation at these types of venues is certainly a big win for EV drivers. So if you do like this type of content, then please feel free to give this video a like and subscribe. And please check out this video that YouTube is recommending to you right now, and I'll see you over there.